Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2024 Toyota Tundra 4x4 Platinum CrewMax. You can see is in excellent condition, finished in wind-chilled pearl white with the black interior. Got excellent condition here. All the seats are beautiful blue stitching. Excellent shape, non-smoking car. No dog hair, no strange pet odors. Got the 10-inch heads-up color display. Power running boards. Back seats, excellent shape. Rear sunshades here as well. Beautiful back seat, very big and spacious. JBL sound, CarPlay, Android compatibility. Leather power seats. You see the door panels, excellent shape. This car only has 66,000 miles on it. Truck, I should say. Steering wheel in excellent shape. You got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Power driver seat, really nice as well. I-Force twin turbo V6 dual overhead cam. 24 valve headlights in nice shape as well. We will start it up for you real quick. 10-speed automatic transmission. Multi-link rear suspension, 4-wheel drive. This car has a lot of safety features as well. Toyota Safety Sense pre-collision, pedestrian detection, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure, lane tracing, trailer brake control, blind spot monitoring, platinum. So it's pretty well loaded. If you have any questions, give us a call at 858-382-1319. The video, Carfax report, one owner vehicle as well. Excellent service. Available on our website, iconiccoach.com. You can also submit a credit application there. We do accept trades as well. We can help ship this car all over the country. This car would excellent candidate for ceramic coating or paint protection film, just to keep it looking amazing like it does. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you're looking for a beautiful Toyota truck that will last a long time, give us a call. Please don't forget to like, comment, share on our page as well. Thank you so much for watching.